Dad decided to warm his car up in the morning. I'm gonna warm mine up too. Trying to stunt on you, boy. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yep. What's good? Good afternoon. It's your boy Jang with a little bit of everything. And today we out here doing some luxury car browsing. Got my son with me. Say what's up.
Hey.
So we gonna go look at some Lambos, some Rolls-Royces, some Bentleys, some little bit of everything. So we out here in St. Louis. We got St. Louis Lamborghini, Rolls-Royce, and Bentley, all in the same block. So we about to go in here and check out some whips and see how much money we ain't gonna spend, and that's gonna be it. So we gonna start y'all out with the Bentley Superleggera. Ooh. Pearl white. No, not a Bentley, my bad. Aston Martin Superleggera. Bentley across the street, though.
Come with me.
Got these fins. Carbon fiber on the mirrors. Piano black on the top. Piano black roof. Beautiful interior, y'all. Alcantara, or it might be some other stuff. Carbon fiber up there. Little bitty baby steering wheel. You know how that go. Ain't nobody getting back there. The mug is so pretty. Look at that. Let's look at the sticker. Aston Martin Superleggera. We sitting around $334,451. But if you're in the market, you know where to go. Now let's go to the Aston Martin. Another Aston Martin.
That's a Bentley.
Look at that. That's a what?
It's a Bentley.
No, it's Aston Martin. Their logos look the same. Bentley got the B's though. This is a DB11. 236,000. That's a small house. So we got the silver trim in between instead of the piano black over there with the color matching top flakes. DB11. I was looking at these. I thought the DB9 was something. We're gonna slide over here. Don't touch the cars. Don't touch the cars. But that blue is so pretty. That blue is so pretty. Look at the flake in there. Man, that blue is so pretty. Look at that. You got a $500 umbrella. Yeah. So what we looking at right here. Huracan, Lamborghini Huracan, however you want to say it. 257K. That blue is like, whoo. With the yellow brake calipers. Hold up. This is a Lotus right here. They used to be mad smaller than this. They made them a little bigger now. They still a little tiny car. You got your Lotus. Carbon fiber roof. Crazy orange paint. Got a subtle flake. It ain't flaky and metallic like this Lamborghini right here, but carbon fiber on the hood. We're looking around. Port of entry was 96. Total, we're looking around 117K. That ain't bad though. 100,000? That ain't bad. Some nice wheels. Oh man, look at this duck bill. Carbon fiber duck trunk. Man, that baby. Sheesh. Got them on the trickle charger. 117 out the door. I get this thing for like 90. You know what I mean? To this dang on Lambo right here. Because you know we got the glass with the motor in the back. I done forgot all about that.
So that means this part right here is empty.
Huh? Yeah, this is the trunk. This the trunk, and then that's your hood, well, motor, or whatever. So this is where you put your little bags and stuff in there. Another Aston Martin convertible, which is not my flavor. Those wheels, two-tone machine black. I think it should have more giblets in there for what we're looking at.
You gotta have a really small person in the back.
Ain't nobody sitting in the back. Ain't nobody sitting in the back. Only person sitting over there is your girl. No friends, no homies. None of that. Ain't the type of time we on. I think this one was 2020 Volante. Convertible. What's that say? 200 something thousand. I can't see it from here. It's sharp though. Okay, now we're in the Ferrari game. Ferrari time over here. Ferrari time. Oh, I'm gonna get over to that bad boy in a minute. Pretty. Got the air vents. Red guts. Flat bottom steering wheel. Carbon fiber. Let's go look at that. Oh, this is turn signal. Oh, look, giblet. As is. Oh, this is a 2017 Ferrari 488 GT B, 2017. We ain't got no price sticker on here, but if you gotta ask about the price, you don't need it. You taking you some pictures and stuff?
Man.
Look at that. Ooh. Got the red on top. It's like a stone finish on the engine. That's tight. That's tight. Okay. Audi R8. Blue. Nice forged wheels. Oh, I got some Velos wheels on there. Nice forged. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber side skirt. Carbon fiber mirror. Brushed aluminum window trim. Diamond stitch seats with the blue stitching. Carbon fiber, flat bottom, you know. Flat bottom. Hey, my Scat Pack out there got a flat bottom. We gonna talk about you in a minute. That blue pretty. What year is this one? V10? Come on, son. You gotta read the Maloney sticker. 2018. We want 220,000. I be thinking some of these be like really outside of your reach, but a lot of them really not. Like that Lotus is really not outside of your reach. This Lambo nasty. Convertible. Now this is the only convertible I'll mess with ever. Ever. LT 700. Maybe 700. Look at that air gap right there, man. Air cut through there and cool them. Man, look at that. How big that is. Nice, nice, nice. Swing over here. Check it out. Lamborghini Aventador. Whew. Roadster. That's the type of time I'm on. That whole rocking, them all cute. But this Aventador is where it's at. Is it? Yep. And we'll another Lotus. Carbon fiber on everything. Man. So I'm looking around, y'all, and I'm looking at this hood, man. This thing is big. With the lime green chartreuse brakes, chartreuse accents like an AMR. Let's look at this Maroni sticker over here. Aston Martin. My keys in my pocket. Don't want to scratch nothing, but this is a big car right here. Custom. This was like custom built. This fire right here. Alcantara steering wheel. Carbon fibers in there. What we got over here? This is your another DB11 coupe. 2019, axing 273,000. Carbon fiber roof. Can't explain what color this is. It's like a greeny, soft green, metallic. I don't know. Go a Lotus, white one. The carbon fiber giblets. If you want a Lotus, they're very obtainable. But that one over, the orange one over there, looks bigger for some reason. 112. It's a 2021, so it probably got no miles on it. So it is what it is. Well, they full of Aston Martins in here, man. I don't really see too many of them on the street. Every now and then. Red interior. This Alcantara out. Alcantara dash, everything. Piano black, contrast, red leather, Alcantara suede. That's pretty red. We're looking at 187,000. This is 2020. But if you want it, it's a note. If you want it, it's a note. I'd rather you buy cash with these things, man. It's a note. So this Bentley right here. See the big B's down there? So you can actually hold passengers in the back. I don't recommend it though. But we got the piano black over here. I'm pretty sure that's a screen too of some sort. Screen there. Diamond stitched in red leather. In and out. And on the door panel. Should have had the flat bottom steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? So let's go around and check the sticker on this one. This was nice. This is probably one of the nicest Bentleys out here. It's GT V8 2016 Bentley GT. I like the GT V8S. Back up a little bit. Man, we ain't even made it to the Rolls-Royces yet, but we're gonna go beeline that away. This is what you want though. Glass is Aventador. Nice glass. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Gold stitching. It's like an airplane in there. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Huracan. 263K for Huracan with the orange interior. Matching brake calipers. Sitting up to 20s. That's pretty. That's the top of the that's the top of the MOOC right there. The SVJ, yeah. 2020 SVJ. Huh? Ain't nobody got this car. TJ, the Mentor Millionaire on YouTube got one. Brother, he got one. Tall guy wanted the SVJ, but he ended up getting a regular Aventador. But it's still nice though. Look at that. Satin, white pearl, carbon fiber here. Sitting on some nice fat 20s on there. Massive brake calipers. Carbon fiber side skirts. Aventador on the door sill. Race car giblets up front. Carbon fiber. Look at this. The whole door panel is carbon fiber. Look at that. Woo. This is what you get when you know you made it in life. When you made it in life, this is what you buy. Any of them. Doors going up. Man, I got 20s on my car too, man, but these 21s in the back. So 20s in the front, 21s in the back. These things look huge. Look at this door panel. Carbon fiber door panel, man. That motherfucker is sick. And they got the strip in the middle. These things, they might be a little bigger though. I think they're a little bigger though. As far as overall size. Ground effects. You got a green one. Hurricane right here. I'm gonna get the SVJ today. Today I'm gonna get it. And then orange. This is another Hurricane. 309,000. And there go another a red one probably. That's the same? Yeah. Hurricane. But let me go back to this SVJ and check the price tag on this SVJ. I know it's like 400 and something. Crazy.
I love Lamborghini and I appreciate it more now. You get the best of both worlds.
What the sticker at? SVJ looking at $615,443. That's my man David. That red is pretty too. With the red on red. Like a little screen down there. All the little flips and stuff. Ooh.
DB11, that's a great car. Color combination on that, beautiful.
You go your Bentley SUV.
Yeah. You guys finding everything right?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
It's like 240?
That one's
214.
214, yeah.
I got my glasses on there.
You scared me for a minute.
It's nice ones are. Is the SVJ a bigger model? Is it?
Then the Huracan.
Yeah, so it's longer too.
It's wider
and longer. Okay, that's what I thought. I felt
So,
bigger.
The Huracan a couple of years ago broke the Nuremberg truck record over in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
And that's a big thing for exotic sports
Well,
cars.
I've been there before. Beautiful place.
And now the SVJ took the record away from Huracan. So it currently holds the Nuremberg truck record.
Oh, beautiful. Man, let's go back to Germany, huh? This is a nice one. PBS. Aston Martin. This would James Bond be driving right here. This is more of a sportier one than the ones we seen earlier. Oh yeah, because it's a Superleggera. That's why. Beautiful paint. Wow, look at the grill on here. Look at that, man. The mouth on this sucker. Like a whale. These things are huge. Look how wide this hood is. Car in general. This is Superleggera with the red and black. Going for $371. Carbon fiber door, side pillar, and roof. And mirrors. Look at the guts on. Oh, cover my camera up. Now that's an interior for you. Flat bottom, paddle shifter, screen, piano black accents. Huh? Yeah, now you can figure how to do it. 182K. That ain't bad. What model is this? What model is this? It is a Vantage Coupe 2020. We'll go another Aston Martin. Hey, y'all know these up in the hundreds and 200s. I'm not finna go over all these prices, but y'all can just enjoy the glory. Enjoy the glory. Walk on that one. A Bentley SUV, I'm gonna clean, boy. I'm gonna clean. What are we? Lamborghini St. Louis. Make sure I go talk to Dave. It get you a Lambo, Aston Martin, Bentley, whatever. We're about to go to the other side where they got some Rolls-Royces. Let's see what they're talking about over there. That's what we like right here. We don't need no SVJ. Just need this Aventador right here. Look at this.
Maybe like around 2000.
Bentley GT. Them most nasty. I see them all the time. You see a Bentley GT all the time. And then you'll see what else? You see Aston Martins every now and then. But see, this is the car right here. Look how big that joint is. This is the car that you get driven in, son. Two-tone Rolls-Royce. Don't touch that thing. It'll snap back in. People just try to steal them. As soon as you touch it, it'll pop down in there. Got the woman on there. Look at that. Phew. Double R's. That thing is huge. From top to bottom. Look, check this out. Check this out, y'all. This is my stomach. Hold up. Dog, the car come up to my chest. This got all the gibbers in there. This is a Rolls-Royce Phantom.
The glass is so clear, I didn't see it.
Huh?
Right here, the glass is so clear, I didn't even know it was there.
Oh yeah, the glass is covering it up. Clean. Woo. I need me a driver.
Then got a little clock.
How much room back there? Leg room for days. Two-tone. I think it's big as hell. How much does the thing cost? It's 2020. So we're looking at 576,225. Dang. Well, Rolls-Royce truck. I put this in one of my wraps like 15 years ago. And look here. And Bentley truck. People be stealing my stuff. But we got the black with the orange like a Doberman. Trim. See, they ain't giving me no whole walkthrough because they know I ain't buying nothing up in this. They know I ain't buying nothing. Man, they know I ain't buying nothing. So I don't get no full tour. Well, this a Urus right here? Yeah. Lamborghini Urus. Let's get back over here with this Rolls-Royce SUV. This thing is huge too. Look at these big old calipers on there. This is a Cullinan BB. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. 435,000. Beautiful interior though. Like Nick Cannon got a Phantom. Nick Cannon, the only person on earth that drive his Phantom. Crazy. Look at these brakes on this dang on yours. I thought my brake caliper was big on the Scat Pack. God, dog. Oh man, that blue on blue. The black piano black trim. Blue on blue. Decent amount of leg room. The seats are super big. Bucket seats. Blue on blue. Let's get us a Urus, y'all. I ain't put no price on that, but it's 2019. So somebody brought it in, bought it, brought it in. They knew they didn't well they didn't need it. Another one of these Cullens. I think it's huge. And this is a Bentley truck. You can tell by the bees and the bubble eyes. Pretty. We about to go across the street in a minute to the Bentley side. And this is a Benz, another Aston Martin, more Lotuses. Oh, they got 3 Lotuses back here. You get the white, you get the burnt orange, and you get the blue. But this is a Maybach. Oh, these I knew it's a Maybach just by looking at the dang on logo on the side and how big it is. But guess what, people? Maybe you can get Maybach for cheap. Don't let these people fool you. Maybach lose their value just as fast as Maseratis do. Just word to the wise. This bad boy got a table in it. Look at all this room. Look at all that room. Oh my God. Look at all that room in the back. You got recliners in that bad boy too. Hell yeah. Big old sunroof. We want for the Maybach. So we looking around 180 something thousand. It'll be 70,000 on the year. Trust me. Lamborghini shoes if you want to get your Lamborghini shoe game on. $500. I'll take the sweater though. It's only $100. Remote control, gears. $97 t-shirt. $1,200 Alcantara duffel bag. What's the belt? $295. The backpack. All the Lambos and Porsches and no Porsches in here. Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, Rolls-Royces, and some Lotuses. And one Audi and one Ferrari. What's your favorite car?
I have two. It's the blue one in the back, the dark one, and then
With the tan interior, that Aston Martin, and which other one? The orange one. So you don't like no Lamborghinis?
No, because like you could change the orange to like pink and then add like a soccer cherry blossom on it.
My guy.
Now we
He said he ain't gonna focus. If y'all want a Lamborghini, make sure y'all come out here and holler at David Brockett. He's been helping us out, giving us a tour of the place. You can hit him up right here. 314-405-0452. This is where they at. HolmanMotorcarsSTL.com. To get all of these luxury brands. Aston Martin, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Bugatti, Lotus, and Lamborghini. And it's your boy, Jane. Deliver everything. I hope y'all enjoyed this walk around of this nice dealership. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. And I'll be back with another video. Bam!